Good morning children, this is Hemlata. Welcome to class 6 general maths class. So children, what we are doing? We are doing chapter 3, playing with numbers. Is it children? In last class what we discussed? In last class we discussed about the factors. Okay, then after polynomial number, perfect number, is it prime numbers, composite numbers, this all we discussed, different types of numbers. Now we will enter in very important topic, okay, that is HCF. So today's topic is HCF. So let's start today's topic. Children, HCF. HCF means highest common factor. HCF, highest common factor. This is also known as or GCD, greatest common divisor. GCD, greatest common divisor. HCF or GCD, both are same. Okay, somewhere HCF, somewhere GCD we will say, but both are same. So highest common factor or greatest common divisor is what? So HCF of two or more numbers is a number which divides the given number exactly. So it's a greatest number or highest number which divides given numbers exactly. HCF of two or more given numbers, okay, is a highest or greatest of their common factors. It will be more clear if you will see the example. Okay, so see children, HCF of 12, 30 and 36 is 6. HCF of 12, 30 and 36 is 6. So 6 is a greatest number which divides 12, 30 and 36, all the three numbers exactly. You can see children, factors of 12, f of 12. What are the factors of 12? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. These all numbers divides 12 exactly. In the previous class we discussed already how to find the factors. I hope you are perfect in finding the factors of a number. Is it not children? So factors of 12 are what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. All these numbers divides 12 exactly. Is it? Next, factors of 30. F of 30 is what? 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 15 and 30. All these numbers divides 30 exactly. Like that. F of 36. Factors of 36. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18 and 36. All these numbers divides 36 exactly. So, the highest number which divides 12 exactly is 12. 30 divides 30. 36 divides 36. Is it or not? But you can see when we find the common factors, 1 is common to all. It means 1 divides all these three numbers. Okay, next 2 is common to all. 2 also divides all these numbers. 3 also divides all these numbers. Is it? Then 4, here 4 not there, here there. Then 6. 6 divides all these numbers exactly. Again, any number which divides all the three numbers exactly? No. So, what are the common factors? Common factors means factors which are common to all. So what is common to all? 1, then 2, then 3 and 6. Okay, these four factors are common to all, means these four factors divides all three numbers exactly. In that highest is what? 6. So HCF says what? Highest common factor, means in the common factors which is highest one or greatest one. So in these common factors which is highest one, that is 6. Is it or not? So very clear, what is HCF? HCF is a highest number, highest factor, common factor or greatest common factor which divides all these given numbers exactly. 2 also divides all numbers exactly, but 2 is not the greatest in these all. 3 also divides all these numbers exactly, but 3 is also not greatest in these all. Which is greatest in this all? 6. Understood children? Understood the concept of HCF or greatest common divisor is a number. Which number? A highest number which divides given numbers exactly. Clear children? This is HCF or greatest common divisor. Now please take your notebook. Okay. Give today's date, time, okay, and chapter name. What is the chapter we are discussing? Playing with numbers. And what is today's topic? HCF or GCD, greatest common divisor. And please note down all these neatly. Maintain the notes neatly. I hope you are doing well. You are doing completing the notes, writing worksheet, reading the reading contents. Okay, so you are very good children now. So please note down it neatly. So children, now next is we will discuss the methods to find HCF. What are the methods to find HCF? So total there are 3 methods to find HCF. What is that 3 method? First method is common factor method. Okay, we can find HCF by common factor method. So in common factor method, what we are doing, the given numbers whose HCF we have to find that numbers factors first we are writing, and then after in that what are the common factors we are finding, and in that common factors which is highest one, that is what? Highest common factor. So that highest number in the common factors is the HCF of the given numbers. Clear children? That is what common factor method. Second is prime factorization method. As the name suggests, for finding HCF by prime factorization method, we have to find first prime factorization of given numbers. After finding prime factorization of given numbers, we will find out the HCF. Third one is division method. By use of division method also we can find out HCF of the given numbers. Clear children? So we will discuss all these 3 methods one by one in detail. Okay, so let's start. First method is common factor method. Recently now we did one question. Before this, that also I calculated the HCF by use of common factor method only. Now this question also we are going to do by common factor method. So you can see children, what is the question? Find HCF of 10, 15 and 30. What are the given numbers? 10, 15 and 30. You have to find HCF of these 3 numbers. These 3 numbers are given numbers. Their HCF we have to find. So what is the first step? Step number 1, find the factors of given numbers. So first we will find factors of given numbers. So factors of 10 or f of 10. In short, factors of 10 also can be written as f of 10. So factors of 10, f of 10 is, what are the factors of 10? First is 1. 1 is factor of all the numbers. Is it? 1 divides all the numbers. So first factor is 1. Then 2. Then 5. Then 10. Is it? 10, every number is itself factor. So 10 is a factor of itself. So these are the factors of 10. Now factors of 15, f of 15. What are the factors of 15? First is 1, then 3, then 5 and then 15. Is there any more factor? No. Remember children, factors of a number are limited. We can count limited factors only there will for any number. Next, f of 30, factors of 30. What? 1, 2, 3, okay, then 5, 6, again 15, okay, then 30. Is it no, children? Any doubt? So next step is what? After finding the factors of given numbers, next step is what? Find the common factors. Common factors. So in these factors which are common to all. So one is common to all. Then which is common to all? Can see 5, you can see common to all. Again any number? No. So common factors are 1 and 5. 1 and 5 divides all these numbers exactly. So out of 1 and 5, okay, these are common factors. In this, highest is what? Highest is 5. Highest common factor. Highest in common factors. So HCF, highest common factors of 10, 15 and 30 is what? 5. It means what? 5 is a highest number which divides 10, 15 and 30. Exactly. Greater than 5. Any number which divides all these three numbers exactly there? Not there. Is it? 5 only the highest number which divides all these three numbers exactly. That is what? HCF. Clear, children? So this is which method? Common factor method. Very simple, no? What you have to do? First you have to find factors of the given numbers. Okay, then you have to find common factors. Then in common factors, highest factor. So that is what? HCF or GCD of the given numbers. So write down, children. Once again I will tell you, while writing, pause the video and write down. Okay, after completing only you again continue the video. So children, next we will go for second method. So what is the second method to find HCF? Second method is prime factorization method. Children, in the previous class only we discussed how to find prime factorization of a number. Is it now, children? You remember now? I think you practiced well on some questions how to find prime factorization. Prime factorization is what? It's a process of expressing a number in the product form of its prime factors. Is it now, children? What is prime factorization? Prime factorization is a process of expressing any number in the product form of its prime factors. Okay, so now you see, now we will implement that idea only here to find out the HCF. Okay, so in prime factorization method, first we have to find prime factorization of a given numbers. So you can see, children, on the board there are two questions. Now we are going to solve these two questions by use of prime factorization method. Okay, now so let's start. First question is what? Find HCF of 12, 30 and 36. Three numbers are given. 12, 30 and 36. Recently now only we did these three numbers HCF by use of common factor method. Is it now what HCF we got? We got the HCF 6. Is it? But now we will do by prime factorization method. One thing remember, children, any method you use, answer you will get same only always. So let's see now 6 is coming or not HCF. So what is the step 1? First step is find the prime factorization of given number. So we have to find prime factorization of 12, 30 and 36. Okay, so first is 12. So we had to express 12 in the product form of its prime factors. We had to use only prime numbers. So what is the first prime number which divides 12 exactly? Very good, that is 2. So 2 6 ja 12. Next again 2. 2 3 ja 6. Next 3 1 ja 3. Okay now, children. So we can write 12 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3. Is it? 2 2 ja 4, 3 ja 12. Like that we can check also. Second number is what? 30. So first is what? 2 divides 30. So 2 15 ja 30. Next 3 divides 15. So 3 5 ja 15. Next 5 1 ja 5. Here children, at last you can bring up to 1 also, or if any prime factor is there then also can leave it. Suppose 3 is there, you can leave here also. It's a prime factor. You can leave here also. 5, it's a prime factor. You can leave up to the prime factor or you can take up to 1 also. That is your wish. Next is 36. So 2 18 ja 36, 2 9 ja 18, 3 3 ja 9, 3 1 ja 3. Is it no? So we can write 30. 30 how? 2 into 3 into 5. 2 into 3 into 5. Then 36. 36. 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Okay children, so first step we completed. Is it no? Step 1 we completed. What is our first step? Find the prime factorization of given numbers. So given numbers are 12, 30 and 36. So we calculated the prime factorization of all these three numbers and written. Step 1 is over. Now step 2 is what? Second step, we had to see all the common factors. Okay, so what are the common? 2 2 2 is common. Is it? I'll mark it with the red pen. Okay, so 2 2 2 common. Again anything is common? Yes, 3 3 3. Is it no children? 2 is common to all and 3 also common to all. So HCF is equal to HCF of 12, 30 and 36 is equal to product of common prime factors. Product of common prime factors. So 2 is common to all into 3 is common to all. 2 into 3, 6. So HCF is 6. Last case also in this same question 6 only we got HCF. So what I said, use any method, answer you will get same. So we got the 6 HCF. Understood children? Very easy. Okay, we have one more question. Let's do that question also by prime factorization method. Then children, so second question, you can see what is given. Find HCF of 40, 56 and 60. So solution. Okay. So first what our step? First step is what? Find the prime factorization of given numbers. So find prime factorization of given numbers. First number is 40. So you have to use only prime factors. So 2 20 ja 40, 2 10 ja 20, 2 5 ja 10, 5 1 ja 5. Okay children. Next is what? 56. So we will use first 2. Okay. Next 60. Okay children, prime factorization completed. Now write the numbers in product of prime factor form. So 40 we can write 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. Is it? Next 56. How can we write? 2 into 2 into 2 into 7. Next 60, how can you write 60? 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. Okay children, over. What we did? Prime factorization of given numbers and written its prime factorization. Now second step is what? According to second step, what we had to do? Check all the common factors, common prime factors. What is common to all? 2 is common to all. Again 2 is common to all. Next 2, here 2 is there but here not there. Is it? So 5 in these 2 there but here not there. So we have only 2 2's only common to all. So what is HCF? HCF of 40, 56 and 60 is equal to product of common prime factors. So 2 into 2, answer is 4. So your HCF is 4. 4 is the greatest number which divides 40, 56 and 60, all the three numbers exactly. Greater than 4, any other number not there which divides all these three numbers exactly. Clear children? Is it clear? So this is for today. What we learned today? Today we learned what is HCF. HCF, highest common factor, or also known as GCD, greatest common divisor, is a greatest number or highest number which divides the given numbers exactly. There are three methods to find HCF. What? Common factor method, prime factorization method and division method. Today we learned common factor method and prime factorization method. In the coming class, we will learn division method to find the HCF. Children, once again I will do. You have to see the video till end 2 to 3 times and you have to practice these sums. Again you have to take some sums by yourself and you have to practice. Then only it will be clear for you. You can understand it in better way. Clear? Thanks for watching.